We are in the Valley of the Sun, they call it. Arizona, Glendale, Arizona, the home of the Arizona Cardinals as they play host to the Jacksonville Jaguars in this NFL affair.
We out here another week. Woo-wee. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I can't be blocked. I can't be blocked. I can't be stopped.
We playing our standard no matter what. No matter what. Regardless of what they got going on. Let's go out here and handle our business, do what we've been doing.
We suited up. So if you got to think about it right now, it's too late. It's too late. Right now, it's only dominate, man. It's only dominate. Every play.
Bring back 8 to Duval. That's all that matter, 8. Beautiful day out here, too. Football weather. Duval.
Go to work. That's your son.
Hey, let's go.
3rd and 9 now. Shotgun for Gabbert against a 4-man front for Jacksonville. They blitz. He drops the throw. Fires to the middle of the field. That ball's going to be caught wide open in the middle of the field. Gabbert read the blitz and threw it to Ricky Seals-Jones. Andy Lee, the punter, holds it, gets it down. The kick is up by Dawson, and the kick is good. So Arizona strikes first, and they lead the Jags 3-0.
Let's just play. Let's just play.
We're good.
Don't worry about shit. Let's just play.
Blake under center. Play fake, he rolls right. Fires to Leonard Fournette out of the backfield to the 20, to the 25. Leonard steps out of bounds past the 30-yard line. Good gain on first down. Bortles to Fournette all the way out to the 32-yard line. Ivory, the running back. Chris gets the handoff, spun away from the defender, but he is hit and the ball is out. That ball is out, and it is being blown down now.
We caught him down, so we're indisputable.
Hey, I think he busted out.
After review of the play, the ruling on the field has changed. The runner didn't fumble the ball. With an Arizona recovery at the 40-yard line.
So Dansby recovers the fumble by Ivory, and the Cardinals take over at their own 40 on what had been a promising drive for Jacksonville. Andy Lee, the punter, will hold it. Low snap, but he gets it down. Kick is up, and the kick is good. Lee did a nice job picking up a low snap, and Dawson banged it through there. Jags are confused here a little bit. Empty backfield. Gabbert drops the throw and fires it to the tight end. That's an easy touchdown. You could tell they were totally confused.
It's going to drive. One play at a time now.
Dropping his Bortles. Steps up. Now he shovels it forward to TJ Yeldon. TJ's got it to the 35-yard line. 1:22 to play as the clock continues to turn. Dropping his Bortles. Throws it out to the left side. Ball is caught by Marquise Lee. Makes a move, gets it inside the 25 to the 20-yard line. Now inside of a minute to play. 48-yarder from the left hash. He's 9 of 10 as a Jaguar. Lambo kicks it up, and Josh Lambo's field goal is good. Nice work by Josh. He's 11 or 10 out of 11 as a Jaguar now, and Jacksonville is on the board. They trail 13-3. We have played 30 minutes here in Glendale. Arizona 13, Jacksonville 3.
Keep talking, keep communicating, boys. All the way through. All the way through. Stay together. Keep talking, keep communicating.
So the Cardinals get the ball to start the second half. Gabbert drops the throw. Fires to the middle of the field. That ball is caught somehow. The catch by Larry Fitzgerald. Barry Church was all over him, but somehow Fitzgerald made the catch for a first down. Lee gets it down. Dawson kicks it up, and the 48-yard field goal attempt is good.
Get after it now. One play.
Make sure we have juice. Make sure we have some juice. Damn.
Shotgun here on 2nd down and 12 from the 23-yard line. Bortles drops the throw. Throws to the middle of the field, caught by Keelan Cole out past the 30-yard line. Keelan made a man miss, bounced it outside the 40. Nice run by Keelan Cole after the catch. He's going to have a first down and more.
And an excellent play by Keelan Cole after the catch.
Blake keeps it on his own read to the 35. Along the left sideline, inside the 20, inside the 15, and steps out of bounds. What a terrific run by Blake Bortles. He's not only tough, Tony, he can get and go on that zone read all the way down to the 10-yard line. That's a 28-yard gain for Blake Bortles.
Let's go for it, Dave. Go for it. All right, go. Yeah, go for it. Go.
Go for it.
3 tight end set, extra offensive lineman. The Jags are going to go for it here. On the 1-yard line. Bortles under center. Play fake, rolling to the right, looking. Blake's going to try and run it in, dives into the end zone, touchdown. Blake Bortles ran it in and then threw it into the stands, and Jacksonville is in the end zone for the first time today.
And that is a great individual effort, and that is a huge play in this game, and it puts the Jaguars right back in it.
Good job, Bob! Good job, Bob!
Keep working. Hey, come on, let's go.
You gotta take it, bro. This is your number right here. Double. Calais got 2. Your number.
You need to get a turnover. You need to get a turnover if you're the Jaguars.
3rd down and 10. Jags show blitz. They brush 4. Drops the throw. Now rolls it. He gets hit. The ball is out. The ball is out. It is picked up by the Jaguars. They're running it toward the goal line. That's going to be a touchdown. The defense has scored again. Are you kidding me? Guess who? Guess who? Calais Campbell has scored on his former team, and Jacksonville is in the end zone.
Let's keep the score to it. Jacksonville all day, baby. Turnover king, let's go. It's a matter of time.
Play fake. Scrambles around, fires deep down the middle of the field. He's got a man wide open. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. And the Cardinals have retaken the lead. Grant will field this, and he's going to run it out. Stutter step, now he's taking it to the 10, to the 15, to the 20-yard line. Corey Grant along the right sideline, to the 40, to the 45. One man to beat along the right sideline, knocked out of bounds. But what a return by Corey Grant. He stutter stepped. You weren't sure if he wanted to bring it out of there. Now he got it all the way down to the 42-yard line of the Arizona Cardinals.
Are you kidding me? And Corey Grant, great speed down the boundary, almost takes it to the house.
Blake keeps it on his own read, inside the 5, into the end zone, touchdown! Blake Bortles kept it on his own read, faked it to TJ Yeldon, and is into the end zone for the touchdown!
His 2nd rushing touchdown in the game.
And we are tied with 7:26 to play in the game. What a drive by the Jacksonville Jaguars. Jags show blitz. They pick it up. Goes to the middle of the field. That ball diving intercepted by Barry Church. Barry Church is, now they call him down. What a play by Barry Church.
I told you he was gonna come back, bro. I love you, dog. One at a time, do your job. Do your job, they can't play with us. Let's go.
Tied up, 24 all here in the desert. 3rd and 6 from the 38-yard line. Shotgun, Bortles rolls right. Fires it. It is intercepted. He rolled right and threw it to the right. And Tyrann Mathieu has picked it off. Gabbert drops, goes to the right side of the ball. Caught by Foster, but tackled near midfield. Great work that time by A.J. Boye to tackle him shy of the first down. And I would imagine Arizona's got to punt it away here. They face a 4th down and 2, and here comes the punt team. Inside handoff to Leonard Fournette. Tries to get out to the right side. Needed to get it to the 20-yard line. He did not. 27 seconds to play. He is tackled shy of a first down. Dropping his Gabbert. Throws it out to the left side. Is caught and stepping out of bounds with the receiver. He's got the ball to the 49-yard line with 11 seconds to play. Gabbert drops the throw. Steps up now. Fires toward the sideline. Attempt is made. They're going to say he made the catch. With 6 seconds left, they're going to say that is a catch. So Phil Dawson is going to have a chance to win this for the Arizona Cardinals. A 57-yard attempt to beat the Jaguars. He gets it down. Dawson kicks it up. He's got plenty of distance. and he has made the field goal from 57 yards away with 1 second to play. Dawson just stuck a dagger in the Jags' heart.
I mean, we fought back. I think that's the one thing. But again, it goes back to me. I got to get this team ready to play in the beginning, and then I've got to do a better job at the end of the game in game management.